Okay, this one is our prominent make special power supply. Maximum 0 to 20 volt power supply, and it's 20 ampere. 20 volt 20 ampere output power. This is the output terminal. This is the voltage control, and this is the current limit adjustment. We can limit the current to the load using this control. First, I am going to switch on this instrument. It will show us the model number, and the top right one is the voltage, output voltage, that will be displayed here, and this ampere is the current flowing to the output connected load. It will be displayed here, and this is the current limit. That means we can limit the output current using this control, and it will be displayed here. We can adjust the current limit from approximately 1 ampere to 20 ampere. 1 ampere to 20 ampere we can adjust the current limit. That means maximum output current can be limited using this current limit control, and this is the maximum output voltage control. We can control the output voltage using this voltage control. 0 to 20 volt we can control using this one. This control now is a coarse and fine control. Also, we can, if necessary, we can adjust the maximum voltage to suppose 5 or 10 volt maximum output. By default, it is the maximum 20 volt, and if we need to limit the output voltage, there is one special control here. This is the gain of this device. If we are adjusting this gain, we can reduce the maximum output voltage also. Now I am adjusting the gain in the back side, and the maximum output will be limited to approximately 2 to 5 volt we can reduce. Now the voltage control is in maximum position, but I have adjusted the output gain control, and the output voltage will be limited to 2 volt. Instead of 20 volt, it will be limited to 2 volt. And if we are rotating the rear gain control to maximum clockwise, in the maximum clockwise position, it will be maximum 20 volt. The specialty of this model is that we can control the output voltage connected to the load using this input voltage control. Here we can apply 0 to 10 volt variable input DC, and according to that DC, the output voltage will be controlled. I will show you the operation. The main features of this power supply is that we are providing 5 years warranty for this model. Also, this is having thermal shutdown facility feature is there. Short circuit and overload protection is there. Actually, I am going to explain the voltage controlled operation of this model. Here we can input the control voltage. Maximum 0 to 10 volt we can apply here, and this power supply I am going to use for voltage input voltage control. This is a different model. 0 to 30 volt output is there, but I am going to adjust 0 to 10 volt in this display. First, I need to connect the input control. Then means this is the output positive voltage of this power supply, and I am going to connect it to this input control. This is the control input positive, and this is the negative control, and I need to connect this one here. Okay, this negative to negative, positive to positive, and the procedure we need to first we need to adjust the voltage control to minimum position. Okay, minimum position, and I am also going to connect this meter for monitoring the input voltage. This meter, this is the positive of the voltmeter I have connected to here. Okay, this is the negative terminal of the voltmeter I have connected here. I have kept the both voltage control in maximum anti-clockwise. That means zero position, zero voltage position. Also the control voltage also it's zero voltage right now. This is the input control voltage connected to this meter and to the input, and this is the output voltage I connected to this meter. Okay, now I am going to control the input voltage. You can see here or here I am increasing the voltage 0 to 10 volt approximately. Now it is 0 to 10 volt, and output voltage is controlled here. It's showing more than 20 volt. We can control using this input control. If we need to reduce the output voltage, we can adjust the gain of this power supply here. If we are putting in minimum position, right now I have adjusted the input voltage to 10 volt, and it is now 17 volt. If we need to increase the output voltage control, then we can adjust the rear gain control now. Maximum voltage we can adjust here. Now I have adjusted to get the 20 volt. Right now the input control is 9.9 volt and output is 20 volt. If we are reducing this input voltage, output also will be controlled using this input voltage control. Output voltage can be controlled using this input voltage control.